Hi everyone, in today's video you are going to learn how to password protect the Microsoft Outlook in 2026. Now this method helps keep your emails private and stops anyone from opening the Outlook without your permission. So without further delay, let's walk through it step by step. First of all, you need to understand one important thing. Outlook itself does not use a separate app password anymore, but your Microsoft account's password already protects all of your emails. So the first step is to make sure that your account password is strong and secure. To add extra layer of protection on your computer, you can also enable the sign-in security. For that, simply right click on the taskbar, then click on the option of the taskbar settings. Once you are here, simply go to the option of accounts. Over here in the accounts, look for the option of the sign in. So here in the sign in options, simply turn on the PIN, password and the fingerprints. This also ensures that no one can open Outlook without unlocking your system first. Now, if you have classic Outlook, you can also password protect your Outlook's data file. For that, simply go to the option of file here on the top, then click on the option of account info. In the settings, look for the option of the password or change the password. Then you can set a password and save it. Remember that this particular method is for the classic Outlook users only. Now, each time Outlook starts, it will ask for the data file password before opening your files. For even stronger protection, you can turn on the two-factor authentication for your Microsoft account. So this also adds a verification code every time someone tries to sign in from a new device. If this video helped you out, make sure that you like this video and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.